Nike continues to expand the Air Max DN lineup with the Nike Air Max DN Rome Cargo Khaki, a winter-ready take built for colder and wetter days. This release pushes the platform beyond lifestyle use by adding functional upgrades while keeping its futuristic identity. The upper features a protective shroud overlay that creates a clean, streamlined look while helping guard against the elements. Underneath, ripstop panels add durability and structure without feeling stiff on foot. A toggle lace system replaces traditional laces, making adjustments quick and secure, especially when wearing thicker socks. The color palette stays grounded in outdoor-inspired tones, with Cargo Khaki leading the upper, Fauna Brown reinforcing the lower panels, and black details adding contrast. Metallic Silver Swoosh branding offers a subtle highlight. Underfoot, the dynamic air cushioning delivers responsive comfort, while the reinforced exoskeleton improves stability. Overall, this pair is designed for everyday wear from late winter through early spring, combining style, comfort, and practical performance.